Aim: to demonstrate resonance with a set of coupled pendulums. Materials required: laboratory stand, meter scale, pendulums of different sizes, thread. Procedure: 2 iron stands can be used as laboratory stand, and it should be placed on the table at about 40 centimeters from each other. Place a half meter scale between them so that it is horizontal with its face vertical and free to rotate about its upper edge. Place 4 to 5 pendulums of different lengths with bobs of relatively lower masses. Gently pull the bob of the heavy pendulum and release it so that it starts oscillating. Make sure that other pendulums are not disturbed in the process. Observe the motion of other pendulums. Observation: the maximum transfer of energy of motion of one pendulum to the other of the same length. In coupled resonant pendulums, the frequency of one pendulum affects the other as they both swing from the same string. These frequencies interact by transferring energy from the swing of one pendulum to the next and back, eventually to the first.